P. Sudha, Assistant Professor of Computer Applications, V.V. Perumal College for Women, Virudhunagar. In this session, we discuss about SQL commands in Database Management System. SQL is Structured Query Language. In SQL, we have many commands DDL, DML, DCL, DQL and TCL. DDL, Data Definition Language. DML, Data Manipulation Language. DCL, Data Control Language. DQL, Data Query Language. And TCL, Transaction Control Language. These commands are used to interact with the Relational Database Management System. Relational database is nothing but the collection of records. Record is nothing but collection of related information. Each record contains many columns. Now we discuss about SQL commands. First we see DDL commands. In DDL we have create, alter and drop commands. DDL is used to create and delete tables in the database. In this we have three queries: create, alter, drop. First we discuss about create. Create query is used to create new table. For this we write the query as create table, table name along with the columns and its data types. Now we want to create a table student with the columns roll number, name, mark 1, mark 2, mark 3. For this we write the query as create table student, name of the table which we want to create, along with the columns roll number. Roll number has the values numeric, so we create a roll number with the data type numeric along with its size. Like this we create all the columns. After executing these queries, we get the new table called student with the columns roll number, name, mark 1, mark 2 and mark 3. If we want to modify the existing table, we can use the alter query. Using this alter query, we can add new column to the existing table or remove any columns from the existing table or rename the column in the existing table. First we see alter table used to add new column into the existing table. For this we write the query as alter table, table name, add column name along with its data type. If we have the student table with the column roll number, name, mark 1, mark 2, mark 3. Now we want to add new column tote into the existing table student. For this we write the query as alter table student, add our column name tote along with data type. Now we get the altered table which has the new column tote. If we want to delete any columns from the existing table, we can use alter table along with drop. If we want to delete the column mark 3 from our student table, we write the query as alter table, table name student, drop which column we want to delete. Now we want to delete the column mark 3. So put the column mark 3. Now we get the altered table student now which has the columns roll number, name, mark 1, mark 2, tote only. In this new table mark 3 is not there. Next we discuss if we want to rename any column in the existing table, we can also use this alter table. alter table, table name, rename column, old name to new name. Now we want to rename the column tot into total. We write the query as alter table student rename column tot to total. Now we get the table student with the columns roll number, name, mark 1, mark 2 and total. Now the table has the column tot into total. If we want to delete the table, we can have two queries, truncate and drop. Truncate query is used to delete all the records from the table, but the structure remains same. In this, we don't delete the table, only delete the data in the table. For this, we write the query as truncate table, table name. In our student table, we want to delete all the records. We use this truncate table like truncate table student. After executing this query, we have no rows in the student table, but the structure of the student table remains same. Now we can add new rows into the student table. Suppose we want to delete the entire table along with its structure. We use the drop command. Drop table, table name, query is used. Drop the entire table along with structure and its data. If we write a query, drop table student, after executing these queries, our student table entirely deleted. Next we discuss about DML commands, data manipulation language. In this we have three queries, insert, update, delete. Insert query is used to insert new data into the existing table. For this we write the query as insert into table name values, in the bracket we give values for all the columns. For if we want to insert data into our student table has the column roll number, name, mark 1, mark 2, total. So we insert data into our student table like insert into table student, in the bracket we give the data for the records. After this we insert new data into our student table. Update. After inserting data into the table, if we want to change the values in the table, we can use update query. For this, we write the query as update table name set column name equal to new value. Using this, we can change the old value to new value or given new value to the columns. Using this, we get the new table. Delete query. Already we discussed about truncate and drop query. Truncate query is used to delete all the records from the table. Drop query is used to delete the entire table along with its structure. Now we discuss about delete query. Delete query is used to delete particular records from our table. For this we write the syntax as delete from table name where condition. If we give the condition, based on this condition, we can delete the record from the table. In our student table, if we want to delete the record whose mark 2 is less than 25, we write the query as delete from student where mark 2 less than 25. This condition applies on our student table and one row is deleted from our student table. Now we discuss about DCL command, data control language. In this we have two types of commands, grant and revoke. Grant is used to give access privileges to the user. If we want to secure our database, the authorization people is not give access permission to all the users. If we want to give anyone, we use this grant permission. For this, we write the query as grant privilege name on the object name to user. If we want to give the access permission to the user 1, we write the query as grant select on our table name student to user 1. Then only user 1 can access the data student. After give the permission, the authorization people does not want to give the access permission, he can withdraw its access permission. For this we use revoke command. Revoke privilege name on object name from user. If we want to withdraw access privilege from user 1, we write the query revoke select on table name from user 1. After this, user 1 cannot access any data from our student table. Next, we discuss about DQL command, data query language. This query is used to access the data from the table based on our condition. For this, we use select query. Select query display all the records from the table or display particular records based on our condition. For this, we write the query as select star from student. Star is mentioned as all records. After executing these queries, we get all the records from our student table. In select query, we can use where class. Where class is used to give the condition to the select query. If we want to select mark 1 less than 10 from our student table, we write the query as select star from student where mark 1 less than 10. This condition is applied in our student table. If it is matched, it displays the records from the student table. If it is not matched, it displays no record selected. If we want to display mark 1 greater than 50, we write the query like as select star from table name where mark 1 greater than 50. This condition is applied in our student table and get the records from the student table. Finally, we discuss about TCL command, transaction control language. These commands are used to like workers undo and redo. In this we have two queries, commit, rollback. Commit is used to complete a transaction by using either a commit or rollback statement. Commit make permanent changes to the database created by the transaction. Rollback restore the database to the state it was in before the transaction was performed. Commit is used to make permanent change. For this, we use commit statement. After inserting one record, we have create a save point. Save point is created. After this, we perform commit. Save point divide the database operations into parts. Save point A is created after performing any actions like insert, delete, alter or update. Rollback. undo work done in the current transaction used by the rollback query. Syntax for rollback is rollback to save point name. We create a save point A. If we want to undo the work, we give rollback to A. These are the TCL commands used to redo and undo the transaction. Thank you, students.